Hey guys, how's it going? Daniel here. So today Apple dropped iOS 13.5, and this update is pretty much safe to call it the COVID-19 update, since there's a lot of related features to that pandemic on the iPhone in this update. So let's begin. So the first thing, of course, that Apple released with iOS 13.5 is a update to Face ID while wearing a mask. So when you're wearing a mask, of course, with Face ID knows and it won't unlock your phone after two tries, and instead it will just release the pass lock so that you have to enter the code into your phone to unlock it. But with this update, what Apple did, of course, with 13.5 is that people who wear a mask, Face ID won't try to unlock your phone. Instead, it will just automatically release the pass lock so that you have to enter the code so that you won't waste any time. Now, of course, this is an inconvenience to some people, but it's better than nothing, and it's just a good feature update that Apple released with this update. Next, we have exposure notification. So exposure notification is a new platform that Apple and Google were working together, or that Apple and Google work together on. It's an API where government or other agencies and any health agency can use to use this platform so that they can send you notifications if you've been in contact with anybody that maybe might have come across COVID-19. And so yeah, it's just a really neat feature, and it's just really cool to see that Apple and Google, one of the two big companies in tech, putting their differences aside and working together to create this platform. So yeah, it's just really cool. And how you get to that, it's really easy. You just have to go to your settings app, and then from there you go to privacy. Then from privacy you go to the health, and then right there it will be on the top right there. So you can turn it on if you want and join the exposure notification to receive that notification. Now, of course, it's not available yet to Canadians here. So, but when it is, I will be making a video about it, of course, and testing it out and seeing the steps and everything that you have to do to just receive those notifications on your iPhone. Next, we have the FaceTime option, a feature. So FaceTime is pretty much for FaceTime groups. So if you have video titles or like, it's just people who use FaceTime. I don't use FaceTime groups, so there's an update for it where it just gives you the option to not change the size tiles of the participant when people are speaking in FaceTime groups. Next, we have emergency services. So this update is only released right now in the US. So maybe in the coming months, it will be released in in other parts of the country, other parts of the world. So what emergency service does is that it gives the option for the person or the iPhone user to opt in if they want to give first responders access to your medical ID. So let's say you're having some health crisis, of course, and then so whenever the first responders arrive, they'll be able to see your phone and automatically, I guess, unlock it safely, but where they only see your medical ID information, and that's it. So yeah, it's just a really neat information that, of course, right now is only available in the US. And then, of course, one of the last big features that and fun features that with this update in iOS 13.5, it is you'll be able to now do Instagram stories. So like right here, so you'll be able to do music. You'll be able to share your music on Instagram stories of Apple Music. So let's say you want to share this one, and then just go to share song, and then from there you get to click the Instagram right there, and then it's creating a story right there. Now it's still a little buggy right now. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't work. So we'll just try again. We'll try this one and share song. And there we go. Okay, so it's not working. right now, so that sucks. But yeah, you'll be able to now share your Apple Music music that you are listening to your Instagram stories, something that Spotify already had a long time. So it's just a fun little update that Apple released, and it's just I'm happy that this update is actually out because I like to share my songs when I'm listening to on my stories on Instagram. So that's pretty much it with iOS 13.5. It's mostly, like I said, the COVID-19 update, because there's a lot of related future updates to that. But yeah, that's pretty much it. And of course, there's some bug fixes that Apple has done and fixed, of course, that will always help you and help your devices to just keep running smoothly. So the question is, should you update this? Should you update to iOS 13.5? And I think yes, it's an important update that I highly recommend you guys go update your phone and your iPads too, because not only is it a good thing, because it will probably protect your phone also from all those bugs and everything that sometimes we come across on our devices. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please do subscribe to the channel, and as always, I will see you guys later. Peace.